In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable live chat on YouTube. We'll walk through a quick settings update that reduces how you appear in interactive features connected to live streams and community highlights, helping you keep your presence more private and your viewing experience calmer. I'll keep things simple and explain what each choice does so you know exactly what you're changing. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct YouTube account on a desktop browser. If you manage multiple channels, double-check that you're on the channel you want to adjust. Now, look to the top right corner of YouTube and click your profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is where YouTube keeps your key controls, including channel switching, YouTube Studio, and your general settings. If you don't see the icon, try maximizing your browser window or reducing your zoom level so the menu appears. From that account menu, choose Settings. This opens the main settings area where you can manage preferences that affect your viewing, privacy, and how your activity is shown across YouTube. Depending on your layout, settings may appear in a new page or a pop-up window. Either is fine. Next, select Privacy in the left-hand navigation. The Privacy section lets you decide where your activity is visible, especially around features that surface your engagement to others. This is the place to control how you show up during live and community interactions. Find the option labeled Appear on Top Fans Leaderboards and switch it off. Turning this off removes your account from being featured in top fan leaderboards and similar recognition surfaces that can overlap with live chat engagement and visibility. In practical terms, this helps keep your presence lower profile during live experiences, reducing the chance of being highlighted while you watch or interact. Your choice typically saves automatically, so there's no extra button to press. A couple of quick tips. If the setting looks different or you don't see the Privacy tab, make sure you're on desktop and that you're signed in to the right account. Interface labels can shift slightly over time, but the Privacy area is where these visibility controls live. If you operate more than one channel, repeat this change after switching to each channel to keep your preferences consistent. That's it. By adjusting this visibility setting, you've taken control of how you appear during live activities on YouTube, keeping things quieter and more private. If you ever want to be featured again, just return to the same Privacy section and toggle the option back on. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.